Hi everyone, Diamond Painting Seared Pearl. We're going to unbox this Diamond Art Club painting that we got from our Black Friday sale. Okay, I already did the unboxing here, but I'm going to release the video in a later part, but I'm going to unbox this other painting that I have here. So it will be part 1 of 2, but on my other video I said that I'm going to unbox it first and then unbox the other one first and then this one, but I'm going to release this video first because this is more appropriate this season. So I'm going to show this painting first. Okay, so this is a smaller painting, and this is, we can see that this is going to be a round drill here. Okay, so this is the picture here. I don't know if you can see it clearly, and it's called Holiday Visitors. Okay, so this is more appropriate for this time because the other one is like more on a full painting, and this is only a 71 by 56 centimeter. Okay, let's take a look at this painting. I hope you went and got you some paintings last Black Friday because they had a big sale. So that's where I got my paintings from, because you know, when they have a sale, that's when I buy my paintings. So this is the picture. Look at that, look how beautiful that is. And there's like a cardinal there, and I think these are 2 gloves here, red gloves, and a reindeer over here, and a cabin, and a snowy landscape. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at our painting. We got the tools, the same thing, because it's a round drill. We don't have the pair of tweezers. We have the pen, the drill pen. We have a lot of baggies here. We have 2 heart-shaped wax, the tray, and we have the squishy. Okay, so let's open this painting here. We got the stickers too. All right, it will tell you the size, and the artist's name is Chris Bigelow. Okay, all right, you can put that in your journal. So this one is smaller than the other painting that I ordered, and look how beautiful this is. Oh, I think this is a good painting that we can do during this winter season. Okay, we have just a 1 big bag of these drills, and it has some AB colors on it, and it says Holiday Visitors. Okay, and we still have the step-by-step instructions there, and we're going to unroll this so we can take a look at this painting. Okay, let's go on this side so we can unroll it. I think this will be an easy painting because it's just a small painting, 71 by 56 centimeter. Okay, I think we can see it this way. That's how big the painting is. You can see it in one frame. That's the upper portion of it. Okay, there you go. That's the upper portion. There's the deer and the cabin over there, and I think this is a what you call this one, a skate. Oh, yeah. And then there's like gloves in there, and this is just a beautiful painting. You know how I love winter paintings. Okay, all right, so that's how our painting looks like. This is going to be an interesting painting to work on. Okay, since this is not a lot of drills, we're going to go ahead and look at it. They say we have like AB colors, and it's the 129 and the 141 here. It has 45 color drills, by the way, 45 color drills, and these are the AB colors, 129 and the 141. Okay, yeah, look at, we're going to look back at this picture and enjoy the picture. Look at that. I think this is the sled. I think, is that what you call it? I don't know. The snowboarding something. I don't know. Okay, these are the colors here. Look how beautiful they are. I don't know if you can see it with the lights that I have. Here, let me. Okay, I think that's better. Okay, it's not a lot. Silver blue. And let's find out where the ABs are. Oh, these are the ABs, the red, the white one. For sure, that will be where the snow is. And let's find out the other one. Yeah, look at all these colors. Oh, this is the other AB here. Not a lot. This is the 141, I think. Is it the 140, 129? It's like yellowish. And these are all the colors. Okay, just take a look at them. We'll just scan it. It's not a lot. Alright, so this is all for now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time. This is again Diamond Paintings with Pearl, telling everyone happy drilling. God bless. See you on my next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Okay, bye.